Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm sharing with you the latest project that I'm going to be working on. I am participating in the Secret Yarnery Bloomscape Crochet Along. And Krista over at Secret Yarnery is going to be making a series of crochet flower blocks. And they will be assembled into a blanket. So I started this Monday, which was the 12th. And I finished my block yesterday, the 13th. It took me a little while to do it. But I just wanted to share with you the yarn that I used for this block in particular. I'm trying to keep my block, or my series of blocks, I'm going to try to make them as close to hers as I can. I do not have the same yarn that she's using, but I was just going to share with you the yarn that I'm using. And so let's get started. I'll give you a close-up of the block. The colors are really pretty. I think the color choices that she made. But I don't have the yarn that she has, so I'm just trying to use what I've got already. And I don't know if I'll have enough of my own yarn to complete it. I don't want to have to buy any more, but I'm going to do the best I can. And I'm using, it's all worsted weight yarn, but I'm using different brands. So some of it is a little bit thicker and thinner. It's not all exactly the same. But let's get started and I'll show you the yarn I used and the color that I used. Okay, for the center of this block, I used this bright yellow. This is Red Heart Super Saver, and I do believe that's the name of it. The bright yellow, that was Red Heart Super Saver. Now this next little section here, this is a different brand and it's a little bit thinner. It is this Caron Simply Soft, and the color I used was strawberry. To me it looks a little bit peach colored or coral colored, but it is pretty. And it is a little bit, like I said, it is a little bit thinner. Now for this, the actual petals here, I've got some scraps of, this is Red Heart Comfort Yarn. And this came in a really large skein. I got it at a discount store. I got it for $4.99 and it had 600 yards in it. And the color of this, I think it's called Cerise, but I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not. But it's really pretty. And then this green, I went back to the Red Heart Super Saver. And I got this at a thrift store for 99 cents. But the color of this is called Paddy Green. And it's like it's a deep green. And then I think all of the squares, she's going to be using a color similar to this. And for this one, I used Red Heart with Love. And this color is Iced Aqua. And this one, I really like this one, and this is really soft too. And then the white that I used, this is also Caron Simply Soft. And it's just called white. I think she may be using maybe a cream color for this, but that's what I chose to use. So I am mixing. They're all worsted weight, like I said. They're worsted weight, but some of them they're thicker and thinner. And my crochet hook, I'm using as she suggested, I'm using an H 5.0 millimeter for my hook. And so I would like to invite anybody that wants to join in Krista's Crochet Along. I will put information in the description box below with links to the video tutorial. And another thing, I don't want to forget, I measured my block, and it's about 8.5 inches wide. So these are going to be good size squares. I'm not sure how many squares I will make of each flower that she makes, because it just depends on my yarn and how far it goes. But thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to be notified when I put up new videos. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye.